We're driving on the road to Grundvik. Nathaniel says, whoa, look at that.
There's a lava geyser that's visible from where we are, shooting into the sky.
Yeah.
Bright orange.
We're gonna hike to the eruption site tonight and check it out. At time of recording this, it's 11 o'clock. We'll figure it out. We just want to go see some lava. So here we go. Ooh, I'm gonna wear pajama bottoms.
Let's go, we got a mountain to climb.
We got a volcano to see. Here we come, baby. This might be the nuttiest thing, like the nuttiest hike I've ever been on. Nathaniel, what time is it?
12:12.
I'm not even using a headlamp. That's how bright it is right now. It's a good thing I kept my mask from Delta, because I think I'm gonna need it on this trip. That's no sunset either up there. That red in the sky is the glow from our Earth's core. Wow. Oh, it's so much bigger than I thought.
Wow.
Here we come. Now approaching the flow. This is truly incredible. The heat right here. I mean, look where we are.
This has been awesome.
Yeah.
We've just been standing here for the last 3 hours. We lost complete track of time.
I mean, this happened just 5 minutes ago, and it's already going off. It's just unlike anything I've ever seen before. I'll try to keep the wind off the microphone, but it really is. It's just unlike anything I've ever seen in my entire life.
Huge columns of fire, and the way that they splatter against the rock is just unreal.
Yeah. It's not in slow motion either. I mean, if I put myself in the frame here, you realize that that's real time. The difference is that this volcano is throwing, you know, molten boulders just the size of cars into the air. And it's just incredible.
There's nothing else like it, honestly. It's fantastic. Another thing that's nice about the volcano is it's kind of like a giant campfire. It's been a cold night, and every single time the volcano erupts, my hands get warm, my face gets warmed up, the entire hillside gets warm. It's just fantastic.
Thing is, I don't even really know what to say. I've never seen anything like this in my whole life, and I don't really know if I ever will again. It's really a humbling experience to watch this. It's been a really special experience. It's been unreal to witness in real life. I didn't realize just how big it was, or how high this shot, or just how hot it feels on your face. It's really magnificent, and this is without a doubt one of the most special things I've ever photographed and had the privilege of visiting. So I'm just honored and happy and blessed.
Dude,
Oh,
it's going.
oh,
It's going.
yeah, man. Oh, you got footage of it.
Oh, dude, huge landslide. Whoa.
Wow.
That is hard as a rock.
Yep. Brand new rock.
The whole night was well spent awake at the volcano, which means we woke up today at 10, packed up our things, bought sweaters, went around the Golden Circle, saw horses and geysers and all kinds of stuff. Then we went and hiked into a volcano and watched that. We've been up since 10 a.m. yesterday. It's about 4:30 a.m. So I guess we could still get 6 hours of sleep and, you know, still wake up at the same time as yesterday. That's not too bad. I mean, if we dropped and slept right now, we could.
I could do that.
Like right now. But wow, that was a night well spent.